Hey everyone, what's up? It's Block to Basics here, and today we're diving into something super cool and important, Web3. You might have heard people buzzing about it, but what exactly is it? And more importantly, why should you even care? Think of it like this. Web3 is the next big thing for the internet. It's all about giving you, the user, more control, ownership, and freedom online. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Let's break it down so you can see why Web3 is such a game changer. We're talking about a whole new way to interact, create, and even earn on the internet. So buckle up because things are about to get interesting. Before we jump into the world of Web3, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Remember the early days of the internet? Yeah, those weren't exactly the most exciting times. Web 1 was like a giant library. You could visit websites, read information, and that was pretty much it. Think basic websites with lots of text and not much else. You were mostly just a spectator. Then came Web 2, the internet we know and use today. Suddenly, you weren't just reading, you were writing, sharing, and connecting with others. Think social media, YouTube, online shopping, all that good stuff. Web 2 was a huge leap forward, but it also came with some downsides. Big companies ended up controlling a lot of the internet, and your data became their data. This is where Web3 swoops in to save the day. The big idea behind Web3 is ownership. It's about giving you back control of your data, your content, and your online identity. In Web3, things are decentralized. That means no single company or authority calls the shots. Instead, everything is spread out across a network of computers. Think of it like a giant shared database that everyone can access and contribute to. Privacy is another big deal in Web3. With all the concerns about data breaches and online security, Web3 gives you more control over your personal information. You decide what you want to share and with whom. And here's another cool thing. Web3 is all about open source technology. That means the code behind the scenes is freely available for anyone to inspect, modify, and build upon. It's like a giant collaborative project where everyone can contribute to making the internet a better place. Okay, enough with the technical stuff. Let's see Web3 in action. One of the most exciting areas where Web3 is taking off is in gaming. Imagine playing a game where you actually own your in-game items, like weapons, skins, or even virtual land. That's the power of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. NFTs are like digital certificates of ownership that are stored on a blockchain, which is like a super secure digital ledger. You can buy, sell, or trade NFTs just like physical collectibles. Another cool example is cryptocurrency. Instead of relying on banks and traditional financial institutions, Web3 lets you send and receive money directly using crypto wallets. It's like having your own digital bank in your pocket. But Web3 is about more than just games and money. It's also empowering creators to connect directly with their audience and monetize their work in new ways. Musicians can release music as NFTs, artists can sell digital art directly to collectors, and writers can publish their work without needing a traditional publisher. So, why should all this matter to you as you begin your journey? Well, for starters, Web3 is the future of the internet. The skills and knowledge you gain today will be incredibly valuable as Web3 continues to grow and evolve. Imagine being able to land a cool job in a Web3 related field. From blockchain developers to NFT artists to community managers, there are tons of exciting opportunities emerging in the Web3 space. But it's not just about future job prospects. Web3 is about taking control of your digital life and shaping the future of the internet. It's about creating a more equitable, transparent, and user-centric online experience. By understanding Web3, you're not just passively consuming technology, You're actively participating in its development and shaping its direction. That's a pretty powerful position to be in, right? So there you have it. Web3 is all about ownership, decentralization, and giving you more control over your digital life. From NFTs and gaming to crypto and creator tools, Web3 is already making waves and changing the way we interact with the internet. What are your thoughts on Web3? What excites you the most about this new frontier? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The future of the internet is being written right now, and you have the opportunity to be a part of it. So go out there, explore, learn, and let's build the future of the web together. Web3 is the next evolution of the internet that shifts power from centralized platforms to users by using blockchain technology. If you enjoyed this video, comment below, like, and subscribe for more. Don't forget to check out the rest of our Block to Basics series.